Hi, I'm Benjamin Mistroy. I'm the eXo platform CEO. Today I will introduce you with a new product with release, which is eXo WCM 1.0 beta. So of course it's a beta, but it's already something worth showing. So it will be a two-part video, one for the editing line and the second one for the creating content from the file plan, file explorer, and then pushing that content to the different pages. So those are two different approaches. Usually when you have a usual WCM product, it's for one or the other. Our way is to support both, and because it's quite useful in enterprise according to the different profiles in the company. So here it's quite simple. It's leveraging the portal and the enterprise content management. We don't reinvent the wheel each time. We have a platform strategy on which we build products on top of that. And that makes the product extremely powerful. But let's have a look. So first I log in here, and you will see that when I log in, you will see a usual layout portal page, if you know eXo portal, but with some difference, some small difference. So here we have a add page, edit portal, create portal, change portal one, and we have those new editing line buttons. We have register, presentation, search, and those two ones, administration and site content administration, do appear because I'm the login. So it's possible to easily create a new portal. That's very useful when you have a company with many subsidiaries or some stuff like that. Or you can change the portal. So I will change the portal here. And by default, we are working on an Acme portal. For now, the look and feel looks a bit the same. We are changing. Here in the URL, you see Acme, but the pages, home, prod, news, products, contacted, change. Of course, when we have a beta 2, probably the look will be completely different. The layout also to show really well that this is two different portals. So I can log out, and if I log out, I stay in the Acme site, but the public part. So you really have to manage two different portals. So now I go and log in as a classic user. So when I'm back to the classic, I see the navigation is different, and I will log in again as a root user. Here it is. So let's start by modifying the look and feel of that portal. So the first thing I will do, for instance, is to edit the portal itself. And what I will do is I will delete the footer portlet. So let's delete the footer portlet. I delete it. I can manage drag and drop, and you see here I don't have the footer portlet anymore. That's quite cool. Let's change the banner. So to change the banner, I remove the image. I upload a new image in the share portal, because the content here is shared among the portal for that banner, but it could be one banner per portal. Let's use the Acme JPEG, like that, and upload the Acme. I save it, and I reference the image I've just uploaded into my page. So let's do like that. Let's really increase the size like that, and a bit like that also. Now let's change the color. So we have a background image which is pushed through CSS here. You can build the content from nothing only with the WYSIWYG editor, but we have allowed to people, more advanced people, to directly do cool things directly thanks to CSS in another format. And you will see that the CSS is directly pushed into the content. That's great, right? Here I can change my content like a dream come true. A dream come true. And of course I can have a link here that points to an external page, but this link points to another page of my portal. If I go to classic, I can point to anything like news, home, or presentation. Let's say search, and I save. So here it's a dream come true with a color, and you can pick up, but that's not exactly beautiful. But anyway, let's save that. So here you have the banner, a dream come true. It points to another link, so you can link page of the portlet or external links. That's quite cool. I can also change the home page here, but that will only be exactly the same. But let's do it quickly. So I will remove the add image here. That's it. You will see, and I will replace it by another one. I can do it using full screen, which would be a bit easier. And here, let's upload a new image. Upload the images here. Share portal, image, rows. I have a connector image here. Upload. I save connector. I will remove the image also on top of that, which is not very useful. I think this is the first image here. Yes. That, and I guess if I do it full screen, can do that like that. Top of that, here it is. Virtualize your desktop. I will try to push a little bit like that. Yes, looks like interesting, and I can increase and put it in the center. And I have my content. I could spend a bit more time to have something beautiful, but that's not the goal. So here I have my content, I have my home page, I don't have a footer, and I have the banner. So let's finish by creating a page. So I do it from the usual portal here, basic, and create page wizard. But in WCM we also have here the add page. So we'll create a child of the home page, which is the current page. So I have a wizard with several steps to allow me to build my new content. And you will see it's quite interesting, because here of course you can have my page. Here you can make it visible or not, you can have publications if you want to have times, and you can make a next. Search, sitemap, site content viewer, page configs. You can have different type of layouts, but the first one allows you to have layouts with portlets in it already pre-configured, so it's extremely easy to create new content. So here I have the site view, simple view content viewer page. So it's a layout with one portlet here that you will find. You can see that as a preview, and you see that we have the no content here. Of course, as usual, if I want to modify the layout, it's also possible because everything is dynamic. So let's have a tab here. Let's take the tab, drag and drop the tab, and we'll move the first portlet inside the first tab, and the second portlet into another portlet into the tab 2. So here we have the portlet. You can make a drag and drop to that tab 1. It's cool. To the tab 2, we will have for example, let's say a sitemap. Oh, I'm putting drag and drop here. Now I have my page. It creates my page with a site explorer. I can have a preview. Yeah, and now I save.